Introducing OB7, an incredible new collaborative robot for automating hundreds of production jobs. Just roll it in place and OB7 learns from you with no programming. Teaching OB7 is quick and easy because there's no complex, time-consuming software coding. Let's look at a typical packing job. To start, press Learn and name the job. Now OB7 is ready to learn. Guide OB7 over the jar. Then press the button to close the gripper.
Pick position learn.
OB7 instantly learns how to pick up the jar and automatically records this task. Then move the jar into the carton and press the place button.
Place position learn.
Once again, OB7 learns and records how to place the jar into the carton. Press Done and we'll run the packing demo job. Start the job by pressing Work, selecting the new packing demo, then pressing Go. And that's how to train your robot. But most jobs are more complex. With teaching OB7, even the most complex jobs is still simple. You can teach OB7 to tend a machine, assemble a product, or precisely measure a machined part. With OB7, you can automate just about anything. OB7 can learn machine tending jobs like loading and unloading parts, opening and closing doors, and even pushing the start button. Jobs like precision QC measurement can be run, saved, and rerun when the next batch is ready. There are many more powerful functions, but for now, let's teach OB7 to pack the rest of the carton. Press Learn and select the packing demo again. Press the Place tile and check the Grid option. Then select Corner 2. Then pick up the next jar and move it to the second corner and press Place.
Corner 2 pick position learn.
Then select the third corner and pick up the next jar and move it to the third corner and press Place again.
Corner 3 pick position learn.
On the tablet, enter the number of jars, 4 across and 3 rows. Now OB7 can pack the entire carton. As you can see, it's easy to teach OB7 to do just about anything. Using advanced functions, you can create and reuse complex procedures and steps that are used frequently by saving it as a custom tile. Then to reuse, just drag the custom tile into the job. So, you can keep packing boxes by hand, or you can train your OB7 collaborative robot to take care of all your packing jobs for you.